Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix CapCut template not showing. So I will show you how on iOS and Android, but I'm so sorry I won't give an example directly because my CapCut is back fine. So I'm just giving the steps. So if we go for the Android, you can follow that step. Just go to Phone Settings, select Application, find CapCut and select it. Click Cast and Data, set Enable all permission, and then restart and open the CapCut again. For iOS, you can follow that step. Go to Phone Settings, select General, select Language and Region, just country you like. Go back and select VPN, tap on Add VPN configuration, just select open the CapCut apps again. So how to VPN configuration, just select all and done. So that's how to fix CapCut template not showing. Once again, I want to apologize for not being exemplified directly. I hope this information will help for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.